All right, and staying with the issue of the protests that have just recently concluded, we are getting in breaking inputs that the CRPF inquiry into the alleged illegal use of pellet guns during the student protests in the national capital is expected to submit its report within a week's time. Officials say that the Rapid Action Force personnel who deployed pellet guns and electric shock weapons have been identified as well. The inquiry will examine the circumstances under which the weapons were used and document all locations where the pellet guns were deployed before fixing any kind of accountability. Now, remember, this has become an issue of national importance given that several students who were unarmed and not even resorting to any kind of violence or vandalism were targeted by these pellet guns. Many even have lost their eyesight or are currently undergoing treatment as well. So the inquiry into the pellet gun use is all set to submit its report within a week's time. Let's quickly go across to Priyank Tripathi, who brings us more details. Yes, Priyank, what more can you tell us?
See, Akansha, we have spoken to the senior officials in their security establishment, and what they have confirmed that this inquiry will come out with its report within 2 days of time period. It could be submitted to the DG of the CRPF and through Mr. GP Singh, who is the DG of CRPF. The inquiry finding reports will be coming out. So far, what we have officially got confirmation that there have been 4 people who have got the pellet gun injuries, according to the MLC. This inquiry was initiated since the first report came out in public, and it's been a week. The time has passed when the actual action happened. So it's most likely by Wednesday, the inquiry finding report will be coming out with the detail of how this pellet gun have been used. What we know so far that those RPF personnel who had used the pellet gun have been identified, and the number of bullet counting from the total data of the bullet which were remaining in the government bank has also been counted so far.
Many thanks to you, Priyank, for bringing us all of those latest details.